Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you about refraction by spherical lenses and the terms related to lenses. So before starting the explanation of these two topics, let's understand first about the spherical lenses. See, a spherical lens is a piece of transparent glass bound by two spherical surfaces. स्फेरिकल लेंस जो होता है ये ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास का पीस होता है जो कि टू स्फेरिकल सर्फेसेस से मिलकर बना होता है. So there are two types of spherical lenses. First one is the convex lens and second one is the concave lens. See, in convex lens, it bulges outward and is thick at the center and thinner at the edges. As you can see in this diagram, this one is the convex lens. So convex lens जो होता है इसकी bulging outward की तरह होती है, ये thick होता है center में से और thin होता है at the edges. As you can clearly see in this diagram. Second one is the concave lens. A concave lens bulges inward and is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. जो concave lens होता है इसकी bulging inward होती है, अंदर की side bulging होती है as you can see in this diagram, and ये thin होता है in the middle and thicker at the edges. Now we are going to study about the refraction by spherical lenses. In this, first I am taking the convex lens, that how the refraction is taking place in case of the convex lens. See, in convex lens, all the light rays which are coming parallel to the principal axis, as you can see in this diagram, जितनी भी light ray parallel आती है to the principal axis, all the light rays after refraction converges on a point, that is on the focus. जितनी भी light rays आएगी सब converge हो जाएगी एक ही point पे, that is on the focus. Now see this animated part. This one is the principal axis and these all others are the incident ray. After refraction, all the refracted rays meet on a point or converge on a point, that is on the focus, and because of this convex lens is called the converging lens, because it converges parallel beam of light ray passing through it. जितनी भी parallel beam of light rays आती है उन सबको ये converge करता है एक point पे, so it is also known as the converging lens. Next is the concave lens. See how the refraction is taking place in concave lens. Concave lens diverge all the light rays. जितनी भी light rays आती है concave lens उनको diverge करता है. As you can see in this diagram, जितनी भी light ray वो diverge हो रही है, and after refraction it appears to meet on a point, that is the focus. Now see the animated part. These all are the incident ray, and after refraction diversion होगा इन सब के अंदर, and they appears to meet on a point, that is the focus, and because of this it is also known as the diverging lens. So a concave lens is also known as diverging lens because it diverges a parallel beam of light rays passing through it. उसको diverge करता है. ये देखिए सारी की सारी light rays यहाँ पर diverge हो गई है, फैल गई है. Next are the terminologies used for the lens. The first terminology is the center of curvature. So a lens, whether it is a convex lens or a concave lens, has two spherical surfaces which form a part of a sphere, and the center of these spheres are called the center of curvature of lens, usually represented by the letter C. And since there are two center of curvature, we may represent them as C1 and C2. मतलब जो भी कॉन्वेक्स या कॉन्केव लेंस होते हैं वो टू स्फेरिकल सरफेस से मिलकर बने होते हैं, ये हम जानते हैं. तो इसमें दो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर्स होते हैं और ये सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर C से रिप्रेजेंट होते हैं. तो फर्स्ट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर C1 से रिप्रेजेंट होता है और सेकेंड सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर C2 से. सो एज यू कैन सी इन दीज डायग्राम्स, दिस इज फॉर द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस एंड दिस इज फॉर द कॉन्केव लेंस. Next is the principal axis. So the imaginary straight line passing through the two center of curvature of the lens is called its principal axis. See in this diagram, this one is the imaginary line. So this imaginary line which passes through the center of curvature, this is known as the principal axis for the lens. Next is the optical center. So the central point of a lens is its optical center and it is usually represented by the letter O, as you can see in this diagram. This one is the optical center for convex lens and this one is the optical center for the concave lens. So optical center, it is the central point of the lens. जो lens का central point होता है, that point is known as the optical center. Next is the aperture. The effective diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is called its aperture. So that effective diameter through which the refraction can occur, so that part is known as the aperture. Next is the focus. Focus for the convex lens. See, when several rays of light parallel to the principal axis are falling on a convex lens, so these rays after refraction from the lens are converging to a point on the principal axis. सारी converge होती है, as you can see in this diagram, कि after refraction all the incident ray जो भी होती है सब converge होती है on a point, and this point on the principal axis is called the principal focus of the lens. और इस point को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Principal focus, जहाँ पे सारी light rays आकर meet करती है. It is represented by the letter F. Capital F से represent होता है, and a lens has two principal foci. दो principal foci होती है F1 and F2. Now focus for the concave lens. So when several rays of light parallel to the principal axis are falling on a concave lens, these rays after refraction from the lens are appearing to diverge from the point on the principal axis, and this point on the principal axis is called the principal focus of the concave lens. As you can see in this diagram, यहाँ पे जितनी भी लाइट रेज आ रही है पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस वो सब डाइवर्ज हो जाती है इन केस ऑफ कॉन्केव लेंस, एंड आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन जब वो डाइवर्ज हो चुकी है तो दे अपीयर्स टू मीट ऑन अ पॉइंट ऑन द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. तो ये जो पॉइंट होता है, दिस पॉइंट इज नोन एज द प्रिंसिपल फोकस. नेक्स्ट इज द फोकल लेंथ. The distance of the principal focus from the optical center of the lens is called its focal length. The distance of principal focus from the optical center. As you can see in this diagram, this is the convex lens. यहाँ पे देखिए, this one is the optical center. अभी बताया था optical center which is the central point of the lens. So this one is the optical center. यहाँ से लेकर और focus के बीच का जो distance होता है, that distance is known as the focal length. और यहाँ कॉन्केव के अंदर देखिए, कॉन्केव लेंस में यहाँ पे भी सेंटर से लेकर और फोकस के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस होता है दैट इज नोन एज द फोकल लेंथ, एंड इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द स्मॉल एफ. लेटर स्मॉल एफ से ये रिप्रेजेंट होता है. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.